Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. Violent riots broke out in Ballymena, North Ireland yesterday night following the court appearance of two 14-year-old boys charged with the attempted rape of a teenager girl. A case that has ignited public anger, particularly after it emerged the both suspects are Romanian nationals and require a court interpreter. An estimated 2,500 people took part in a protest march through the Harry Valley area, expressing outrage over the alleged assault, which occurred on the Saturday evening in the Cornwall Terrace area. The demonstration began peacefully, but quickly descended into chaos as clashes erupted between protesters and the police, continuing late into the night. The police service of Northern Ireland reported that the violence followed an earlier protest in the same area, around 45 kilometers from Belfast. Officers were pelted with missiles and multiple properties across the town suffered significant damage. Chief Superintendent Sustine appealed for calm and responsible behavior amid the escalating tensions. He said, "Violence and disorder only put more people at risk. Our priority remains the safety of the community. We urge everyone to help us restore calm as soon as possible." Dramatic footage shared on social media shows masked individuals confronting police, flames rising near residential buildings, and objects being thrown at PSNL vehicles. While we were unable to independently verify the video, residents confirm the images reflected the chaotic scenes in the town. The two teenage boys appeared at Coleraine Magistrates Court and are formally charged with attempted rape. As minors, their identities have been withheld. The case has drawn widespread attention, not only due to the severity of the allegations, but also due to the nationality of the accused, which appeared to further fuel public anger. RTE, Ireland's national broadcaster, confirmed the boys are Romanian and required an interpreter during court proceedings. Although this is a standard procedure, the detail provoked further backlash among sentiments of the protesting crowd. During the unrest, petrol bombs were reportedly thrown at police, vehicles were attacked, windows smashed, and homes were set alight. Footage captured thick black smoke blowing above damaged buildings, highlighting the scale of the deconstruction. The teenagers have been remanded in custody and are scheduled to appear before a youth court in Ballymena on July 2nd. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.